Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Volvo XC60 T6 Momentum. This is in a white exterior with a blonde leather interior. Has a premium 10-speaker sound system. See the T6 all-wheel drive badging, Volvo, and then the XC60. Power opening and closing trunk. Says memory seats. Says 46,089 for miles. And there's our gear shifter here. Does have navigation, as well as in-display climate control. And a backup camera. If you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any others, see us at feldmannimports.com.